Triple jersey, Albert Pujols for the Cardinals at a 75. Got a nice quad jersey, numbered at a 34 of Cal Ripken Jr. 4 jerseys. It says Cal 8 of Roger Clemens. Quad jersey of Roger Clemens. Johnny Bench at a 25. A quad jersey of Nolan Ryan for the Angels. Pretty nice 2 guys they have on a card. A Griffey and Derek Jeter, Reds and Yankees. Frank Thomas and Ken Griffey Jr. at a 25. Blue Jays and Reds. Number 12 out of 15, a quad jersey of Roberto Clemente. There you go. Check that out. Number 4 out of 4, quad jersey, Roger Maris. First hit out of this entire case for the Phillies. It's a nice one. Triple jersey of Chase Utley, Mike Schmidt, and Cole Hamels, numbered at a 50. David Ortiz for the Red Sox at a 75. Got a sweet triple patch of Curt Schilling. 3 color, 1 color, 3 color. Triple patch of Alfonso Soriano. So 2 of those. Very nice dual patch of Nolan Ryan for the Angels. CC Sabathia and Randy Johnson. Number 15 out of 25. Roy Halladay, Vernon Wells, Alex Rios, and Frank Thomas. Just look at the patches on that card. Just look. He already got 1 nice Jeremy Bonderman. Here's a dual patch auto, numbered at a 15 of Bonderman. Was also worried, an Alex Gordon at a 45. For the Mets, Nolan Ryan autograph. I've never seen one of these before. Last time I busted this, I pulled the 1 out of 25, and now this is the 25 out of 25. Auto. Nolan Ryan. Luis Aparicio and Chin Lung Hu. Number 10 out of 25. White Sox and Dodgers. I've got the White Sox. Mike Schmidt, Ron Santo, Brooks Robinson, and Wade Boggs. Numbered out of 15. Phillies, Cubs, Orioles, and Red Sox. 1 of 1, Jeremy Bonderman. Logo Man. 1 of 1. 1 of 1. Josh Hamilton. There you go. Josh Hamilton bat barrel. 1 of 1. Good stuff. We got a triple jersey of Carl Yastrzemski, number 20 out of 44. Low number 2 out of 5 for the Red Sox, Carl Yastrzemski quad jersey. A triple jersey of Frank Robinson. Eight of 8. Exceptional 1 of 1 to have for eBay 101. Quad jersey of Cal Ripken Jr. 8 of 8. There you go. For 16 out of 34, quad jersey of Nolan Ryan. Numbered out of 53, Al Kaline quad jersey. Pujols, Jeter, and Griffey. Roberto Clemente, Bill Mazeroski, and Ralph Kiner. Jersey bat. That is fucking sick. Carlos Delgado. Pretty damn nice looking patches. Numbered at 94. To Vladimir Guerrero. Triple patch. Numbered at a 97. Really dirty patches. And Alfonso Soriano. Johan Santana dual patch, 24 out of 75. Randy Johnson dual patch, number 50 out of 75. Sick patches. Number 9 out of 10, dual patch of Don Mattingly. Dual patch of Mike Schmidt, number 8 out of 48. Dual patch, number 9 out of 10 of Johnny Bench for the Reds. Pretty sick. Just freaking disgusting patches of Jose Reyes. Triple jersey, triple patch, Tom Seaver for the Mets, 36 out of 67. Ken Griffey Jr. triple patch, numbered out of 69, out of 89. Numbered out of 27, we got a Vladimir Guerrero autograph. Our autos have been real nice. Justin Morneau, numbered out of 33. Troy Tulowitzki, numbered out of 28. Can't get any better for the Marlins than a Miguel Cabrera auto out of 25. So we got an autograph of Will Clark for the Giants, 24 out of 25. What up, Bo Jackson? Don Mattingly for the Yankees. What up, number 4 out of 16, Whitey Ford autograph of Verlander and Andrew Miller for the Tigers. Triple jersey of Ryan Sandberg, 101. Triple jersey number 60 out of 75 of Nolan Ryan. Don Mattingly. 2 pinstripes in there. Quad jersey of Jeter. Bill Mazeroski, 45 out of 56. Already got the Pujols auto. Now you get a triple jersey of Pujols, Stan Musial, and Rogers Hornsby. Alonso Soriano, Vladimir Guerrero. I love Ivan Rodriguez for the Tigers. Nice patches. The one on the left. We got dual patch of Griffey Jr., number 36 out of 56. Real nice second patch. First one's just black, second one is sick. Tom Seaver, triple patch, nasty patches, number 6 out of 41 for the Mets. 7 for the Cardinals, Scott Rowland autograph of Brooks Robinson. Very sweet. Number 6 out of 25, an autograph of Carlton Fisk. Premier Stitchings autograph, Roger Clemens. It says Rocket. Number 37 out of 50, Preeminence autographs, Ken Griffey Jr. for the Reds. Deck Premier Baseball, Premier Stitchings autograph, Albert Pujols for the Cardinals. 23 out of 25 of Justin Verlander and Felix Hernandez, Tigers and Mariners. Patch autograph of Johnny Bench, 14 out of 25. Carlton Fisk, Wade Boggs, Carl Yastrzemski, triple auto. Derek Jeter, Ken Griffey Jr., Cal Ripken Jr., triple auto.